First, let's start by creating a new Photoshop file with dimensions 16 by 22 centimeters. This size works great for posters, giving you enough space to design freely. Once your blank canvas is ready, place the main image over it. You can download all the images used in this project from the link in the description below, so don't forget to check that out before starting. Now go to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw Filter. This tool is amazing for enhancing your image colors, tones, and contrasts. Follow the same settings I show in the video to bring out the warm highlights and dynamic depth that will complement our fire effect later. This step sets the foundation for our fiery theme. Next, drag the fire image onto the canvas. Position it creatively where you want the flames to appear. Change its blending mode to screen. This will remove the black background and blend the fire naturally with your base image. Now go to Image, Adjustments, Levels, and tweak the levels just like I do in the tutorial to make the flames more realistic and intense. Reduce the fill to around 70% to make it blend smoothly. It's time to add our text. Select the Text tool, T, and type your desired title. You can use the same stylish fonts I used. Download links are available in the description. Adjust the text placement to match your composition. Now select the fire layer and go to Adjustment Layer, Levels again. Enter 20 on the right side to slightly darken the bright areas. Then choose the brush tool, set the foreground color to black, and gently paint over the areas where you want to reduce the intensity. This gives your poster a realistic balance between light and shadow. Next, add another adjustment layer and choose Color Lookup. Select the same color lookup option shown in the video. This will give your poster a cinematic, professional tone. Finally, reduce the fill to around 75% to blend the color perfectly. Now add your secondary text, such as a tagline, name, or any quote you like. Again, you can download this text from the link in the description. Adjust the size, spacing, and color until everything looks balanced and visually appealing. And that's it. Your fire poster is complete, glowing, dynamic, and full of energy. This technique is perfect for creating movie posters, event flyers, or dramatic artwork in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel Photoshop PixelFie, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future Photoshop tips and effects. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of poster you'd like to see next.